In this video, I will show you how to sign into HBO Max with Cricket. So if you have a Cricket account and you got HBO Max with that but you're not sure how to sign in, this video is for you. Just head over to hbomax.com and go to the sign in section. Now here usually you would sign in with an email address, but you don't have an account with an email address. Instead you want to click on create an HBO Max account right here. Then here where it says search for provider, simply search for Cricket, or you can actually see it's already there, but select Cricket Wireless right here. Then it will redirect you to the Cricket Wireless website, and here just sign in using your Cricket account, and after doing that you will have proven that you have a Cricket account, and then your HBO Max account will automatically be created from there. So it will then redirect you back to HBO Max, where you can then start watching. So that's how to sign into HBO Max with Cricket. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.